Ooh! Oh! I respect a trooper. Oh! Right, hello and welcome. Oh, bit of lag. To the first episode of my Let's Play that still doesn't really have a name, but I might call it Funmaxxing. That sounds like a decent Let's Play title. This is on a custom mod pack that I made, where it's practically, you could call it a kitchen sink mod, if you know what that means. But if you don't, it's a mod pack that just has everything in it. It's got plenty of content. It's got plenty of bosses, different side activities. It's got the create mod, if you know what the create mod is. If not, I'll explain it a little bit in small amounts of detail later, but that's just besides the point. We've got plenty of exploring to do, plenty of building, and plenty of just messing around to do. So I'm sure I'll be able to farm a lot of content off this alone, and if not, I can always invite some friends. But of course, that's for later. Let's get to the actual playthrough. Let's get myself this starter chest. Right, the reason why I got the starter chest is not because I suck at this game, okay? Because I don't. It is because of the Pokeballs. Because we are playing with the Cobblemon mod. Because I like Pokemon. I think they're cool, I think they're cute, and it'll just make nice little companions. Experimental, because it's the only good one. Let's hide that though. Because they are the only cool. They are cool. They make fun little guys to hang around with. And you may be wondering then, wait, since you're playing with Cobblemon, what's going to be your starter? Whapam! I gave myself my favorite Pokemon because because I think he's very cool. How did I mess that up? There we go. Right. Of course he's got Wimp Out. Horrible ability. Lax Nature. I don't remember what that is, but sick. So, okay. Lowered special defense, up defense. That is abysmal. Right, what about the Ivies? Okay, bro, you're special in your own sort of way. Right, what I thought I'd do is I'd take this time now to explain what I want from this series. I want to really push my Minecraft abilities as well as my editing abilities. But as for the actual main goal of the series, I'll let past me explain. Our main goal? Just having fun, playing Minecraft. Pokemon are just here, just because I kind of want them to be wandering about the place. Have cool stuff like, you know, just a cute little Caterpie wandering around. I'm going to try and catch him. I am very fond of shiny hunting as well, so expect me to try my hand at shiny hunting in this. I give up, man. I'm not catching any Pokemon this episode. No catching Pokemon this episode. My viewer retention on my videos is dead in the water. Like, I have like on my last video, which was like 20 something minutes long, 3 minutes of viewer time. Abysmal. It is abysmal. Let's grab this zinc. Right, so now you're probably sitting there wondering, huh? Zinc? That's not in the vanilla Minecraft, right? What's up with that? Right, zinc is from the create mod. If you've never heard of the create mod, do you live under a rock? It is one of the best Java mods that has ever been created, and it allows for you to create machines and mechanisms that allow for you to automate almost everything in Minecraft. So it will allow us to make tree farms, gold farms, XP farms, anything. We'll be getting into that probably in episode 2 or 3, so make sure you stick around for that. But I'll let you get back to the rest of the video now. Ooh. And we're back. I just lowered the memory usage. Hopefully that reduces the lag, because I know if you put too much memory in, it'll start going crazy. This mod pack is really making it look like I've got a skill issue, but I don't. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. It's hard mode, and those guys are gonna hit like a truck. Look, oh wait, comp and sight. Steel. Weird metal. Yeah, because that's not how steel works, but whatever. Well, it's generating around iron, so I assume that's how it's gonna work, which if so, makes enough sense. Oh yeah, you guys have also probably noticed the little R in the bottom corner. That is for rolling. Don't know why I decided to add it. Actually, yes I do, because as you probably saw quickly when I clicked L, Mosey's mobs. I'm not gonna put an explaining segment on that. You're just gonna find out later on, if you're not in the know. And if you're not in the know, you must have just recently started watching Minecraft YouTube. Let's be honest here, because everyone knows what Mosey's mobs is. Okay, that dude was cheating. He was cheating. How did he hit me? Oh. Attempts. Catching a Pokemon. If it's one of the ones that I absolutely want. There has to be a spawner down there. I am very wary because there is a man who is hunting me down. I do not know when he is going to appear, how he's going to appear, or anything like that. He is just going to appear and hit. And I am, to be honest, very scared. Whew. Riveting content today, guys. It's the first episode. I'm not used to riffing off myself. So it's gonna take a minute for me to really learn. Give me pointers, guys. Guys, write an in-depth hate comment in the comment section, please. I need an in-depth hate comment on why you hate me. In detail. Excruciating amounts of detail. Damn. Ooh. I don't have a backpack or anything. Which, yes, there's backpacks in this. I'm not a person who, like, a sadist. That's it, I'm not a sadist. Or is that the wrong one? Boom. Mus. Short for Parthenomus giganteus, which is the Latin name for what is based off of the giant isopod, which is so cool. I love those little guys. I need to make another pickaxe. I need armor, that's what I need. Can you make steel armor? You can make steel tools, because I doubt I'm going to be doing anything with steel for a while. I know I'm getting ahead of myself here, but I need to look. This is from a mod that allows me to go to space. Because I don't know, I felt like I needed some major content shaking up mods. Ones that'll give me a lot of stuff to do. Oh! Oh! I did not know where that was coming from. I am not liking this spawning mod. Spawn animation spawn. It is making them able to creep up on me, and I do not like that it's giving them that ability. Let's see if my theory is correct. Didn't seem it. Ooh, mineshaft! Dude, we are gonna get stacked. I am also very prone to speeding up clips. There will be a lot of sped up clips, but I'm going to try cutting clips because cutting just works a lot of the time. Oh. I knew it was going to do this to me. To be fair, it was either I craft that chest plate, or I don't and get my face ripped off by Mimic. So I prefer that I made it. Oh god. Oh yeah, I'm out of food. I'm out. Remember what I said, guys? Ignore the leaves. Ignore the leaves. Because we want high FPS and no crash, no drops. Aha. Now this is something important to come back. Resume the video for. A cow. Kill it with a knife. It has a 100% chance of dropping leather. Oh, that's 4. Do I have string? I don't have string. I guess I can't do it for a bit now. Oh wait, I just need to find a caterpie or something like that. Okay, seems like I've came out on the wrong side. Or not. We made it out, guys. We made it out. Wait, is it? Oh, what's this? Oh. Uh-oh, it's turning night. Ooh, it's turning night. I'm going inside of here. Right, I gotta kill any... There's a crabrawler in there, I think. Right. I feel like I need to catch you. If we're gonna be in this together, you gotta work with me! My friend. Oh no. Wait. Yo-ho! Your new friend. I'm gonna let you guys name this one. Anyone who wants to name it, drop the name in the comments. Then it's gonna be this dude's name. He is a fighting type, so he likes punching, as you can tell by his big meaty claws. Right there. Ooh, he nodded. He knows he likes it. He He's got a quiet nature. Ooh, Iron Fist. That's a good ability. Bad nature. 31 special attack. That's maxed. Look, 100%. It is a maxed out special attack. Can you learn anything good? Well, at least you'll be good at using Bubble Beam and stuff. Is that... Oh! Okay. Sometimes you don't get a warning. String, I can go. I can leave. I can go back to my base. Safety. Oh. Went there to go for some more. It did, because... I wonder if the knife would work on a spider. Way. Boom. I can make myself a backpack. Yes. But not... I'm not going to put it on my back just yet. Yes, I am. I don't have enough iron to upgrade it. So the question is... Oh no, I gotta go get the... I have to go get the buried treasure map. That's what I gotta do. And then I'll come back to my base. This is my base for now. For now. I promise, guys, I will be building. I will be building plenty. There is no shortage of stuff to build with. Plenty of stuff. This is just a sneak peek of what's to come. And that's the vanilla stuff. Ooh. Aww. Little guy. The dude. Right. Which way have we got to head for the treasure map? Probably in my area. Are we facing north? West. North. There we go. Especially due to my lack of a shovel. Oh, it wasn't draining fast enough. There it is. Diamonds, 9 iron, that's more than I need. Gold, TNT, Heart of the Sea, Prismarine Shard. Let's get out of here. Right, let's head back. Now let's not head back just yet. We've got a map to where we live. I know the map doesn't actually have a base on it. But... oh wait, how much gold did we get? 5, and then I had a few... I have enough to make it a gold upgrade as well. How much? I don't have enough for a diamond upgrade. Because I value inventory space greatly. Ooh! Our first item. Wow. Did it slightly increase our range? Like, what was that? Oh. Is that... oh. Okay. I'm not going closer. That is a boss. I think I'm actually going closer. What am I on about? Content. The content. I don't think I am fine. Ready to fight. Ooh! Oh! Ooh. Ooh. Oh. What is that? Oh. It's that dude right there that's shooting the beam. They're shooting the beams of light at me. I'm gonna try and fight one of these dudes. Come here. You little bird dude. Come here. Come here. What does this even do? Grants resistance, I wonder if... Oh, I'm chill. Chill. What's good, bro? Why did that give me... Oh! If I give you 7 blocks of gold, you'll give me the sun's blessing. Did you just smack your belly? Dude! Where's Gassy? Can you go? Oh! Cooked nuggets for cooked chicken. Raw nugget. Ooh, raw chicken for... I'm kind of tempted to get some cooked chicken. Oh, can I open these chests? They're back to being pissed at me. I'll go. Sorry. Ooh. No creepy, scary guys got me, bro. Right, and I got feathers. That was actually a successful looting mission. Right, I'm gonna take a pause break here because I am hungry. I haven't eaten yet, and I need food. Oh, did it? Oh, just stopped raining. Well, we'll be enjoying this in a minute. I'll be right back. Wait, I'll do a jump transition. And I'm back. Oh god, yeah. I forgot I gotta do the thing. Right. Take it from the top. Me me mo me me mo mo me 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 mo 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 me 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 mo mo me mo me 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 mo me 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 mo. Right. And we're back. Totally seamless. Seamless transition right there. The history books of the world. He's right there. I'm wearing the mask anyway. Come on, overall. You're gonna get a tough name after this, because you're gonna help me take him down, because I think you can fight. Oh! They want to hit me. Open. Oh, new masks. Right, so this guy grants swiftness, grants jump boost. I'll go with swiftness. Oh! Oh god. he's immune to projectiles. He's getting healed. Come on. Get out of here. Third poke. Haste. I've still got the swiftness one on. Swiftness! Not the beam! Oh my god, there's so many! Cabrola, please! Cabrola, do something! Yes! He's actually helping! Get him, bro! I'm so... Man! My sword. I will be back. This is not the last you heard of me, bird god. Oh my god. Dude. Oh, they're still following me. Cabrola, bro. Take him out. Thank you, Cabrola. Is there any new ones? Jump boost. Haste, resistance, swiftness. That's all of them. Oh, that's a shoe bill. That's probably a crow. Don't know you, don't know you. Dude, yeah, of course, we're here. Right, let me... I don't like the boss bar is still very much above. Show my skills with the dodging. Ooh, a hone edge too, dude. So many cool Pokemon here. I'm mostly here for these little guys, the Gimme Ghoul. Right, please don't be a Gimme Ghoul. I'm here, love the game. It's pasta. Pasta. With chicken. Oh, and tomato sauce, onions. Right, I'm going to try catching it like that. And if it doesn't cooperate, it's going to be our first consensual Pokemon battle. That sounds really wrong. Dude, I've got one last ball, so I can't do any more damage without killing this guy. Look at this dude. Look at how chill he is. Oh, he broke free. Oh, thank God he survived on one. The way of evolving him back then is atrocious. Finally, an actual chest. Grass gem, water gem, heals, and 5 XPS. This is going straight into our little XP sink. You're getting all of them. Because Cabrola can level himself up by fighting. Muss ain't doing all that. He cannot do all that. He will get knocked out. Right, this is also going to be a... It's not! Ooh! Shiny stone. That is not a shiny... It doesn't do anything with shiny Pokemon, by the way, if you guys are wondering. What the? Asteroid. Oh, get on top. Oh, cold blocks. What's inside of this? Oh, a chest. Ooh. 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 Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a beach. No, it's a desert. That is indeed a desert. Sure. Let's indulge in the desert, shall we? Scarupia spawning. Silicobra. Oh! Desert Temple. Yes! And a desert village. I'm going there first. It's like, no, we kinda... Actually, you are actually on the list. I've got a fighting type. Let's do this. Level 27. It's gonna be a hard fight. Alright, now we're dead. Oh wait, I'll need that string. I'll grab that in a second. Also got 9 upgrading here. String. And a 50% chance to light attacks on fire, grants fire resistance after lighting an attack on fire. That's an easy way. Use the unbreaking pickaxe to mine out so I'm not wasting durability on my main pick. This means I'll have enough blocks to break out the next one. There it is, there's the other one. Stinking village. Like a Cubone gets like a little Marowak mountains. So that's so cute. Oh, come on! Oh, I got one. The hell? Right. Oh, oasis here, what the hell? And I'm gonna parkour. See, I'm so fucking good at this game. I am so good, don't even comment about it. Just like, comment about me being amazing, because I am. Way too amazing. Right over there, that means that there's a structure. Ooh, ooh. Oh, okay, I missed that one, but... Or if you just spawned for, like, no reason. Yeah, he's looking away. He didn't want it. He didn't want the ball. He would've... Is that another one? Oh! Ooh, that was clean. That was clean. I don't think this is... Well, no. As if I'm gonna eat it in real life. There you go, that's what I meant to say. Yes, I agree. Poot. What am I on about? Just falling works too. Miracle seed. Why? Desert here. I really want to live next to this stuff though. The coral reef. Beautiful. I love the coral reef biome. Oh, I didn't have Fulbright on. And good thing I turned it on. Don't really need it. Just. Oh. Look, I'm a little guy. I'm a little guy now.
Oh hell yeah, man! You gonna crush me, man? You gonna turn me into a little ball, man? Don't do that. That's not nice.
Oh, I'm a little too small. I'm a little too small. I'm a little guy. Let's take that off. Definitely coming useful though. Let's turn this. Nah, I'll keep it on. Might keep me awake. It's like in the Mr. Bean movie where he like Mr. Bean goes. Is it the holiday one? It might be the holiday one. Yeah, it'll be the holiday one, the best one, the superior one, where he like sticks his finger into the car cigarette lighter to keep himself awake. Great, now I'm gonna have to find that clip. And I'm gonna have to avoid copyright on it. I'm gonna put my little belly bolt rubber, even though I've never used him as a rubber because it's too cute, on my W key. And I'm gonna swim whilst I go pee. Because he is perfectly fat enough to sit on a single key. I'll be right back. Try not to capsize or something.
Oh my.
Yeah,
Oh, you.
Am I anywhere?
he's stuck against the wall.
Ah.
It's just, I can hear that noise and I'm like, what the hell's that?
Yeah. And I'm back. I said try not to capsize. I need that. For either a belly bolt or an Eevee. That's a Firestone. I need this for Scovillain. I mean, I need this for Capsakid anyway. If I can get an Ice Stone, that'd be good. Just as long as I don't drown. Come on. Oh yes, of course I have an extra level of Fortune. If I can get an Ice Stone, that'd be good, because that evolves Crabrawler over here. But I'll save that for episode 2, even if I get one in this episode. Because, you know, he needs a name before he gets evolved. I need a name. Give him a name already. To a beach. Oh, Mantike. I've got some netballs now. They have a 3x catch rate on water types. Mantike is a water type. What level are you? 27. Oh, come on. Alright, then, little guy. I need to evolve you. Oh, another one. So I guess we need a name for this guy too. Every Pokemon that I catch in this series gets a name. I don't even care if I barely use him, or he literally gets boxed. Everyone needs a name. And a look at the C3 rod is insane. That's also going to be combined with the mending one. Right, let me Google quickly how to evolve Mantike. Oh, I need a Remoraid. Which means I need to catch another Pokemon. Remoraid's also cool. I like Remoraid. Battle. Please. Yes! Right, now I just need to level up this guy once. Oh! Can evolve right now. It's our first evolution, guys. Come on. Yo! And I can ride on him. I should have added a lot more of a... You can fly too. Oh, only for a tiny bit. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. I've only ever read that he can fly. I didn't exactly know how. It's that way you can get the authentic jumping. So, oh, he can glide. That makes... But that is great. So, guys, the Mantine needs the name, a Remoraid needs the name, and so does a Crabrawler. Remoraid will not be joining the team probably, but Mantine definitely sticking on the team for a bit. I don't think there's any pros to being a little dude right now.
Ooh, I'm so little. Ooh, I'm such a little guy. I'm a little lad. I'm a little guy over here. Hey, can a little guy get a little love over here? Thumb going in. So you could say that it's alluring. Oh. Cleanest clutch you've ever seen in your life, chat. Yeah, we're gonna make it. Yo! A Spiritu. Yeah, leave it. Oh, Capsicid! Good little guy. Level 16, eh? Bring it then? You're asleep. He's asleep and he's breaking out, bro. I can't use a move against this guy actually using him. He will just one-shot him. Gonna opt for a sunny day. Wait, that means it's even less risky to go for a bubble beam. Oh, that did nothing. I'm low-key gonna rock smash. We firm that. Oh, we tough it out, okay. I respect a trooper. Oh! Oh! Well, you can't hurt me whilst I'm in a Pokemon battle. It's against the rules. You can't do anything. I don't want to look away from him. So that's the guy. I'm lucky just gonna go for the catch. And then we are gonna leg it to the boat and get out of here. Run, run. Oh my god, he's running after me. So that's the knocker. That's his name. And I added him to spice up the game a little bit, so that way it keeps me on my toes. You know, shocks me a little bit. Worked there. Not the most jump scared I've been so far this recording now. Definitely been jump scared a little bit more. Definitely sent shivers down my spine now. Oh, that. Ooh. Right. Here's one of the mods that I've added. The bounty board. The bounty board allows for me to go up to it and get a bounty, so I can get rewards from it. This is my first time using this mod, so hopefully it's a good first experience. I have to kill 4 creepers. Ooh, I'm definitely doing that one. Is there any other way? Oh, I'm doing this one. I've only got so many minutes to complete it. Ooh! An ominous trowel key. For 24 bucks. Doubt I could do that, but... Yes! That's all I wanted it for. What have we got here? 2 bamboo. I'm guessing that means that it's a rare reward. There's a lot of fishing based ones. So it seems to me that they're based on like villager trades. What's a decree? Now I have to do this one. Oh. So it allows for me to, like, get more? Oh, another bounty just got added. Okay. Well, I'll take this one up, because it only requires 2 chains. Wait, a decree. I'm assuming I would use this on... Oh. So I can level up on bounty boards too. Yeah, this has got a librarian's decree. Board wherever I go. Or can I craft a bounty board? Bounty board. I can craft a bounty board. So I can craft one myself. And place one at my... I could probably mine them then. But I'll leave it. Also, I left that Eevee. There's an Eevee there. There's some more. Closer. Confirm him. Hey, pervert. Quit watching me. Oh. Not so scary when you just stand there.
river cuts off. There is a river on the other side. I think I made a wrong turn. Should I go this way then? Check them. It's actually from the day. Sure. Are we here? We are here. We are so here. Let's go. Right, I think we've got to tell an actual story here. But that can wait until next time, because it's getting late. I need to edit this video, make it funny, find all the video stuff. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you for watching if you did. Hopefully this is a short video. Not crazy short, obviously, because I need to show you guys the progress that I make, but short enough that new viewers can enjoy. And expect an episode tomorrow, earlier too. Hopefully, maybe, probably, should be. And longer, because it's going to be building, it's going to be probably create mod. I might actually have to stretch it across 2 episodes. There might be 2 episodes tomorrow. I don't know, but we'll find out tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. See ya.